Hey iPhone users, want your battery to last all day? Let's fix that in just 6 settings. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. 1. Enable low power mode. Go to Settings, Battery, Low Power Mode, turn it on. This reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch. Turn on dark mode. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, and select Dark. If your iPhone has an OLED screen, it'll use less power on dark backgrounds. 3. Turn off Background App Refresh. Settings, General, Background App Refresh, off. Prevents apps from updating when not in use. 4. Turn off Location Services for unused apps. Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Keep it on for Maps or Ride apps, but off for others. 5. Disable Push Mail. Settings, Mail Accounts, fetch new data, manual saves battery by checking mail only when you open the app. 6. Reduce motion animations. Settings, Accessibility, Motion, Reduce Motion on. 7. Lower brightness or enable auto brightness. Settings, Display auto brightness on. 8. Optimize battery charging. Settings, Battery, Battery Health and Charging, Optimized battery charging on. Helps extend long-term battery health. And that's it! Try these now and watch your iPhone battery last way longer. Follow for more iPhone tricks like this.